ang mahal na Birhen ay tutungan ng korona ng tagumpay, being the queen, reyna ng langit at lupa, because her son is a king. So our mother is a queen.
The mother of all God's children, starting with the eternal Son. Her name is Mary. She was once the woman of Nazareth, but she is destined to be the woman of the Bible, the one who together with her son would crush the serpent's head. Evil that is always a danger to us, especially when we do not pray, will be overcome only with her and through her.
Si Maria na taga Nazaret ay ina ni Jesus na ating tagapagligtas.